If you work on a lot of knit fabric and you don't have a serger, or maybe that you just need to do a little bit of stitching and the serger's got the wrong color on it, I totally understand. The Pfaff Quilt Ambition 2.0 sewing machine has a stretch tricot stitch. This stitch is going to be like a straight stitch, except it's going to have give. So if you just sew a straight stitch on knit and it pulls, it pops all those stitches. So you need a stitch that has some give to it. And as you look at this stitch, you notice it almost has like a lightning bolt stitch-like look. We have foot 1A on. The dual feed is engaged, so that helps keep the knit from stretching out while it stitches, keeps all those fabrics nice and even. Normal tension, normal settings, and really just go ahead and stitch. But what it'll do is kind of go back and forth, giving you that little lightning bolt look. It does take a little longer to stitch because it does have to kind of go back and forth, back and forth. But here's the thing, if you are doing a lot of knit stitching, you really are going to find yourself benefiting from getting a serger, because it'll go through the machine a lot faster than what we're seeing right here. So as we're looking at this stitch, you'll notice it looks heavier, but the nice thing is that it has the give that we're looking for, and even the look of a seam when we open it up on this side of the fabric. So when you need your fabric to stretch and not break, check out stitch number 18, the stretch tricot stitch.